Before I ask you why Boise's turf is blue, I'm going to ask you, why is turf green? The simple answer to this question is turf is green because it's supposed to look like grass. So let's go back to your first question. Why is Boise State's turf blue? In 1986, athletic director Gene Bleymaier was on a plane and thinking about how the university was about to spend $750,000 to roll up an old green carpet and put down a new green carpet, and yet nobody would notice or care that the upgrade was made. Bleymaier was bothered by that and realized that nobody actually thought turf looked like real grass. So why make it green if everyone already knows it is not real? Bleymaier then decided that he wanted to set Bronco Stadium apart from every other turf field in the country by making it blue, which is one of the school's colors. Since the installation of the Smurf turf, Boise State's Bronco Stadium has had tens of thousands of visitors sign the guest book from over 40 countries in all 50 states. Enrollment at Boise State has more than tripled, and the football program has flourished all the way up to 2013 when some recruitment violations put the team on a 3-year probation. Also, since the installation, the school has trademarked turf fields that are not green. So that means that if you want a turf field at your school, then you must go through Boise State's attorney, Rachel Bickerton, who enforces this code. Most at schools trying to install a color field approve unless they want to install a blue field. Some other colored fields across the country are red field at Eastern Washington, the teal field at Coastal Carolina, and the purple and gray field at Central Arkansas. In 2010, the Mountain West Conference tried to ban Boise State from wearing all blue uniforms on their home field because of a supposed competitive advantage. When questioned about the ban, Mountain West Commissioner Craig Thompson confirmed that either the jerseys or pants could be blue, provided that the other be white or orange. For 2 years, Boise could not wear their blue or unblue uniforms. But after an NCAA ruling in 2013, they were allowed to, because if Boise could not wear all blue, then other teams could not wear all green. That's about it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and announce next week's video, which will be about birds flying into the Boise field because they mistake it for water. But before you go, I actually was going to do a monthly Amazon gift card giveaway. If y'all would be interested or not, please be sure to answer the poll above. I do not have many regular viewers, so if you are one of them, there's a pretty good chance you will win one. But if you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like and a comment below. Other than that, subscribe and turn your notifications on so that you do not miss next week's video on Thursday at 9 p.m. Thanks for watching.